Right. Now I'm going to take the answer for the question number 18. What is the 18? What is the advantage of using the handle fixed to a door in the occasion of opening and closing it? Right. Oh, you already have seen there is a handle, no? There is a handle fixed to the door. There is a handle fixed to the door. What is the advantage of the handle fixed to the door? Right. What is the answer number one? Adequacy of applying a low moment of force. Right. No, it is a wrong. Why? Right. There is not an effect of momentum of the handle. Of the handle. Right. There is no effect of the handle. Right. But when we consider about the answer number two, being able to execute a greater rotation. Right. No, there is not effect for this also. But when we consider about the answer number three, adequacy of applying a small force, it is correct, no? Why it is correct? Right. By the handle, we should apply, if not we can apply it, a small force to opening and closing. Right. There is not an effect of momentum and also greater rotation like that things, and also reduction of the amount of work done is also wrong. So correct answer for the question number 18 is answer number 3. Answer number 3, what is the answer number 3? Adequacy of applying a small force. Right now we took the answer for the question number 18. Then we will go to take the answer for the question number 19 in the next video.